cities are growing, getting modern. Along with it grows the challenges our cities face: air pollution, traffic congestion, and last mile connectivity, to name a few. Our Prime Minister laid emphasis on reducing carbon emissions by 1 billion tons by 2030. And achieve net zero by 2070. Honorable Prime Minister said that the world is now in the middle of a new mobility revolution.
सप्लाई, डिमांड और इकोसिस्टम की मजबूती से ईवी सेक्टर का आगे बढ़ना तय है। यानी ये साइलेंट रिवॉल्यूशन आने वाले दिनों में बड़ा परिवर्तन करने के लिए तैयार है।
Electric vehicles are revolutionizing transportation globally. India also has immense potential for EV adoption. With a focus on sustainable mobility, future EV is perfectly poised to make a difference. Offering timely solutions to combat pollution and meet the growing demand for sustainable mobility. Future EV's unique operating e-mobility model makes it easy for those who have financial constraints to meet the upfront cost of owning a two-wheeler. It is an ideal solution for delivery riders. Besides, a whole lot of people looking for a safe and affordable last-mile connectivity solution. Future EV's unique selling proposition is the swappable battery system, offering a hassle-free charging experience, convenient access to reliable charging infrastructure, along with minimizing downtime for EV users by offering the dense network of charging and battery swapping stations, provide an edge to future EV.
We have 19 lakh electric vehicle registers in India. India recorded a 300% rise in electric vehicle sales at 10 lakh units in 2022 compared to 3.3 lakh units in 2021.
Future EV is collaborating with global leaders to bring cutting-edge technology to India, manufacturing top-quality vehicles under the Make in India initiative. Future EV's notable technology partners are Gogoro Inc., Taiwan, Hero Electric, UTU Mobility, Earthtron EV, and Gulf Oil, leading parking solution providers to provide services to companies like Zomato, Swiggy, Rapido, and BYPL. Future EV is launching e-mobility solutions in strategic locations across the globe, including India, with various cities in UP and major metro cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, Kolkata, Chandigarh, and Jaipur, and in Nepal, Sri Lanka, and Egypt. This is the beginning of a brighter future, as Future EV aims to offer sustainable, affordable, and accessible e-mobility solutions that enhance urban living. Our innovative service, featuring e-scooters with swappable batteries, ensures uninterrupted rides. By reducing pollution, congestion, and carbon emissions, we cater to the diverse needs of our customers while improving their quality of life. Together, let's accelerate towards a sustainable tomorrow with Future EV and rise to transform the mobility space, paving way for greener city and convenient mobility. Join us in shaping a greener and smarter future with Future EV.